Hi guys, welcome to Jamaica Preferred Rentals, and this segment is the advisor corner. So I'm gonna do things a bit different this morning. I am going to take away the aesthetics. I'm gonna take away everything, the videos, the intro videos, the introduction, and we're just going to reason today. For my new subscribers, welcome. For my day one subscribers, as usual, big up on a nice clean self. For those of you who don't really know me that well, a lot of you, my name is Tferguson. I am employed at Chancellor Insurance Agency, where I specialize in selling Sagicor products. Basically, I'm a YouTube vlogger, a lot of things that I am not able to mention as yet until I get confirmation. But for the most part, that is my profession, right? So I want to use this opportunity just to reason with you. I would love for you to comment in the comment section, after this video, and you can tell me the topics or the type of insurance you would like to know more about. So on a weekly basis, I can, know what to speak about. So we're going to talk about portable healthcare benefits. For those of you who are new on here, you can follow me on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and it's Jamaica Preferred Rentals just the same. And you can follow me on social media. Remember to share this video with your friends, family, anybody you know. So we want to talk about portable healthcare benefits. So I've been in this business for over a year. It has everything has its ups and downs, but one of my challenges in this business is that I realize that a lot of Jamaicans see insurance as an unnecessary expense, and that is sad. That is sad, but I understand from a cultural standpoint that we weren't taught about the seriousness and the benefits of having insurance. So I want to treat we like Jehovah's Witness. No offense or no dig to Jehovah's Witnesses, but that is the truth. And I decided that, may I go reason with you today, because most of my audience are Jamaicans, and I am going to talk enough where even anybody at all can understand what I am saying, but I'm going to remove some of the English altogether and just talk to you, right? A lot of the times a relative gets sick, you get sick, you don't have nothing in place, and call family members overseas. Remember, everybody in this world have it hard. Everybody have it hard. So not because the person live overseas, the dollar may be better, but it worse if they live there. A dollar is a dollar. A lot of times people rely on their family members to, if they get sick. What about cancer? Cancer is the thing that eats down your savings like a termite, right? So even if you have 5 million, $10 million in the bank, like what, that will be diminished in seconds. The Caribbean island has the 3 types of cancer mainly. There are others, but we are known to have in the Caribbean cervical cancer, breast cancer, and prostate cancer. So when you are diagnosed with cancer, you have to think about to see a specialist. To see a specialist is a lot of money. You're looking at an MRI for $95,000 to $100,000, depending on where you do it. That alone. And then you're looking on medications from $90,000 to $300,000. So in no time, that $2 million, that $5 million that you have as savings is diminished. Now, what I am trying to do here is to educate you on the benefits of having portable healthcare benefits. This is critical illness benefits. Literally, if you're diagnosed with any critical illness, you're covered. You get one big money. You can use that money to pay your bills, and you can use that money to take care of yourself. A lot of us have children. A lot of Jamaicans, we have a family. Some of us are single mothers, right? And we need to look in ourselves and say to ourselves, if anything should happen to me right now, how will my children cope? If I should be sick to the point where I am not able to work, how will I earn? Insurance is here to replace your income. That's how it works, right? So I am trying to educate you on the benefits of it, how it works for you, because a lot of the times I meet people and they're saying that, hey, insurance is a money-making thing. Everything is a money-making thing. You're not going to go into business just to lose. You're going to go in it to make money, to take care of your family, to pay your overhead, to pay your staff, all of that. And the good thing about it, it is also money making for you too. Just imagine you paying $5,000 to get $5 million. Where else can you get that? And when you get your money, it's tax free. When you're getting a settlement, when you're getting your coverage, if you're diagnosed with anything, right, and you're covered, let's say $4 million, $5 million, it's one big check. The company cuts you and that's it. Just by paying $5,000 or $6,000, depending on your age. So I want you to start thinking about your future. If you should become sick, what will your children do? Can you trust your family members to ensure that your children will be taken care of? Do you have enough money in the bank if you should become sick and you're unable to work? What will replace your income? What will pay your bills? For those of us who pay mortgages, because this is a channel where we showcase real estate properties, that same insurance, that check can pay your mortgage while you're taking care of yourself. For those of you who are living overseas, a lot of the times when I see people migrating, them dash away everything. Them sell this, them sell that. If they did have more insurance, them forget about it. Insurance in Jamaica is still affordable than in the United States. If you should do your comparison, it is way affordable. So when you're migrating, do not forget about your insurance. If you're in the United States, you can come to Jamaica. When you come to Jamaica to vacation, all you need is a Jamaican address. And you can sign up for your insurance. To ship a body from Florida is $1.5 million. And if you have a $5 million insurance, that easy something that ship your family, your loved ones here. A lot of us has burial plots for families, and you would prefer your relative to be buried here. To ship a body from Florida is $1.5 million. And all I'm saying to you is open your mind to the information. A lot of the times people jump on the bandwagon and say, boy, insurance at this, insurance at that. And I understand that there are a lot of horror stories about insurance and when people to get the claim and advisors who aren't that honest. But remember, guys, I am right here. Me personally, I can only speak for myself, and I can only attest to what my clients tell me, and I believe in proper customer service. I am coming from years of customer service, and I believe in service, right? I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. Me easy for find. My office is right at Catchinall after you pass Mega Mart in Montego Bay, right on the 3rd floor, shop 18, Chancellor Insurance Agency. Me easy for find, right? And I have a YouTube channel where me normally I'm on the road every day. So if me tea from a man or a woman, me easy to find. So let's put that out there. So I just want to to share with you the importance of it. And I decided that this time I'm just gonna talk and so that we can reason together and so that you can know the benefits of it. You can add savings and investment to your insurance. So for those of you who have children, for those of you who like to have emergency savings, having a savings on your insurance is way better. A lot of the times when you get money, when you run to a bank, you put no money in the bank. What is bank doing with your money? The money just sits there and the money devalues every day. It is safer to put your money in an investment account where at least you're seeing interest on your money. So if you have $100,000 in the bank and you have that in the bank for 10 years, it's going to be $100,000 after 10 years. And after 10 years, that $100,000 is going to be like $20,000. Your money just stays there and devalue, right? So I want you to think about that. I want you to think about your family. Sometimes when we call people, I don't have the time and the this and the that, people find time for things that are important. We need to stop think about insurance like it is an unnecessary expense. The same way you would treat your light bill and your water bill, everything, you have to treat insurance just the same. Because at the end of the day, if you make a claim, if you become sick and you claim for that $5 million, and the same insurance money go keep the water on, the light on, the food in your house, pitney still a go to school, property still a upkeep, business still a run. That is how insurance work. Rich people depend on insurance. We need to start thinking about creating generational wealth for our families. And that is what insurance creates. Generational wealth. Right? So your parents did not pave the way for you because sometimes they weren't privy to the information. Right? Now you have the opportunity to change it for your next generation. Teach your children about insurance. Teach your children about setting up a trust. You can set up a trust fund for your child, right? Set up a trust fund for them, put the insurance in a trust, and you can make certain stipulations and directive to the bank how you would want the money to be allotted when the child become of age. You can do that as well. And I'm going to speak about that in another episode. But for now, I want to talk about critical illness. If you reach 60 years old, you're not eligible to get any critical illness plan anymore because you have passed the age. So for those of you who are about to turn 60, now is the time to take out some critical plan. Sometimes when we sick bad and we sick long, and then the burden is on your family to take care of you constantly. So that will alleviate the burden. And for the man them, we know so we don't like a doctor. Normally when you find out so you have prostate cancer, it is stage 3 or 4. And then the burden upon a wife and on a woman and thing and on a family to take care of you, and sometimes when you're sick long and you're sick bad. So it takes a toll on your family. I know a lot of people have spoken to clients where they had to take out loans to bury their loved ones or take out loans to take care of their loved ones. But at least try to put something in place to alleviate the stress. Think about what I've just said. I am going to put my telephone number and email address so you can reach me, book your appointment. My consultation, my information is free. When you meet with me at my office, it is free. Just sharing information with you, and I sit with you and I tailor a plan to your needs. My telephone number is 447 8263. That's 1-876-447-8263. And if you're not able to get me on that number, you can always get me through an email. You can email me. That's tfergusoninsja.com. That's tfergusoninsja.com. And I'll be more than happy to sit with you and your family, and to tailor a plan that fits your budget and your family's needs. All right. Thank you so much for another episode of the Advisor Corner on Jamaica Preferred Rentals. Thank you, and you stay blessed.